If you want to learn how to add two buttons side by side in Mailchimp, this video is going to make it super easy. This is a really useful trick when you want to make your email look cleaner, more professional, and more clickable. Instead of stacking your buttons one under the other, you can place them next to each other so your subscribers have two clear action options right away. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Mailchimp tips just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the email editor for the campaign or template you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, take a look at the panel on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the column section. This is where Mailchimp gives you different layout options for organizing your content. Now, drag and drop the side-by-side layout into your email. This creates two columns, which is exactly what you need for placing two buttons next to each other. After that, click on Add Block inside the first column, and then choose the button block. Once the button appears, click on it to edit the text, style, and button link. You can type your call to action, change the button wording, and make sure it matches the goal of your email. Then repeat the same process for the other side. Click Add Block in the second column, choose Button again, and customize that button the same way. Add your second call to action, update the design if needed, and paste in the correct link for that button. Take a moment to review both buttons so they look balanced and both links work properly. You can preview the email to make sure the buttons sit neatly side by side on desktop and mobile. Once everything looks good, save your changes and you're done. That's all it takes to add two buttons side by side in Mailchimp. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how your email looks and performs. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the Mailchimp tutorials on the channel.